the morning.
Big boy.
Another appointment ni Francis, vaccine, and Francene's first day of kindergarten. Hey there. Say good morning.
A lot.
There's a wolf. Say good morning. You wear the green shoes, huh? The one with is like a safety shoes, ba? There's a wolf. Oh. So we have to separate our destination. Francine and Frank will go to the kindergarten, and me and Francis will go to the vaccine appointment. Okay? Yeah.
Yeah.
So you go now. Bye. You have to go now. So mag-prepare lang ako. Look at that, guys. Spots ko to siya ba? Tapos na, napakoy muta. Spots ko, tapos nanonood kami ng TV ba rin na naana ko. So ako na lang siyang gikuha. Then nag-ana siya, oh. Nag-scar. So hi, good morning. Francis is ready. It's outside.
Okay.
Francis is ready. And Frank is also ready. Are you? You don't need, you need to bring the paper bag, the stuff, wait guys, the stuff that he needs to bring.
We have to wait.
So I have to go at around 9:30. And I have 30 minutes to prepare. Bye-bye, Francine.
Come on, you get distracted. Your shoe is fine. Come on. You know where the kindergarten is?
Yes.
So where is it? Huh? Yeah, not there. Come. She's copying me what I'm doing because I'm filming. She's going backwards too. Where's the kindergarten? Where is it? That's where we came from. No, we came from Mama. So, Francine. Yeah, we have to go here. Hi.
Einmal warten, ich hole die Kollegin.
Na klar. So. Vorwerk, ne? Ich weiß nicht, ob sie das schon wissen müssen. Hey, wait.
Dance shark. Baby shark. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Coming in the window, the shark?
Yes.
I don't think so. How could that be? Wait, can you have to go now? Where are you going? Where are you going? There's no shark. Hello, baby brother. Bye bye, baby brother. Say bye bye, bye bye now. Yeah, baby brother has awa. Bye bye now. Go. Here. Wear this one. It's a bit fresh outside. Don't touch that. Don't touch because baby brother get awa. Na bye. Say bye now. Kus bye. Bye brother.
Bye, Francine. I'm going.
Uy, Papa is going. She has to go to kindergarten. Open it. I waited for you on that, because I know you like.
Opening.
That's why I let her open it. Come on, open it. I help you. Mama's going to help Francine. Brother got a package again from Hip Mind Baby Club. Ini-sterilize.
Mine.
Inisprayhan ko na to ng kuan guys ha. Ng alcohol. Okay. Now show. Kuya, ni mag-unboxing akong what is that? That is Gutschen Hift again, abot lang. Si Frank atong pasabton ana. This is a booklet again. Hala, there's a yum for brother. Oh? What? He can have that now for Munat. Yeah, you have to count that in the water. Para siyang Cerelac, guys. Bio. Rice 100%. So, like that. Meron na namang, nandito na naman yung 100 euro when you open a one in Commerce Bank. Then, meron tayong gishink. I-claim mo to siya, guys, eh. Yan, Pero, yung iba na, what is that? She just came home, actually, guys, from kindergarten. So, open that. I think this is a spoon. Oh, we don't need to buy a spoon for brother. You open it. Mama will open it. Wait. Spoon, guys. Pero si Francine yung excited gamitin. That's... Okay. You use that one here. Meron silang pa-spoon na ganito. Tapos may lagayan. See? Pag mag-member ka ng hip, you cannot have this. This needs to be in the water. That one you can use, and this one, yung isa din na ganito, di ba last time yung lagayan ng milk, this time naman kutsara ang binigay nila. At tsaka meron ito, ito? Ano man ito, parang 15% rebate and off the tolen ambot, 15% rebate, mga gishing card to, And this one naman, yung mag-open ka ng savings account, guys, ba, sa Commerce Bank, tapos magkaka 100 euros ka. Pero, let's see. Patingin ko to ka, Frank. Tapos, ito naman siya, guys. Mayroon na akong 3 ata nito, pero hindi ko talaga na-claim kasi kailangan siya ng ambot. Iwan ko, hindi ko kasi maintindihan. Tapos nakakalimutan ko ba? Natapon ko na ata ang 2 nito. Ito naman yung ganito, Ilayon. Kailangan mo siyang i-claim. Kailangan ka mong i-send back. Ano pa bang nandito? Si Francene talaga, So, ang laman nito is yung kutsara. Baby, para baby spoon para kung magpakain na. Kasi 4 months na si Francis. Thank you, Hip Mind Baby Club. Tapos, ayan, may gishing tayo. May kuan tayo, ano ba to? Bio-carotene. At 4 months, pwede na pala pakainin si Francis. Meron tayo ano ba to? I-claim ata to. Sa i-claim ata mo to sa DM or merong ganito. jar of FrauJene bio carotene. Ayan, pero ako guys, ang plano ko talaga is gawa ng homemade na ano, at meron na naman tayong pin. 80 cents rebate. Ano ba naman to eh? Mga ano to? Mga rebate kung ano, bibili ka ng napi, na kay 2 euro rebate, or kung sa kanilang milk, 1 euro 50, 150 euros, 1 euro 50 rebate, pero aptamil ako eh. And this is interesting actually. Pero 80 cents rebate lang siya, pero gamitin natin kasi malapit ng papakainin ko si Francis at I think 5 months or 6 months na. Pero let's see. So Francene, come here. Awa na si Francene ay naggidulaan na niya guys eh, yung spoon. Say thank you. Say thank you to Hip. Say thank you. You don't know how to drink that na? You have to turn.